Alright, Mr. Snap-on guy. What happened?
What?
Not even on yet. What up, guys? Here at the ranch. Time to put together a race car, baby. Let's see how this thing goes. See if you guys can guess what's in this box. Put it in the comments. Give you one hint. It's for a future video. So as you guys see, we're getting ready to assemble a long block on this thing. Gotta get this oil pan cleaned up, ready to rock. Getting the oil pump in.
Put light pressure on it and knock it off till you don't see it, okay?
Okay.
Like that? So rotate it and do it. Clean it off just lightly. You don't want to go any deeper than what you need to take off because you don't want to create a low spot where the oil is going to leak out. And then once you get it clean all the way, put a little bit of brake or carb clean on that rag and wipe that surface down clean. We'll put some oil on it. Slam this bad boy on there.
I like your shirt, Paul.
Being hard.
We just need more leverage.
Need a cheater bar. Okay, I need to change hands. Okay. Yeah. You doing half turns now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done blew my wad already.
I understand.
Good. You want a rag for your hands or something?
No, I'm alright.
Yeah, about 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah, it'll bottom out. Well, no.
Oh,
Is that supposed to happen?
there's that.
That's a blue point down there too.
All right, Mr. Snap-on guy. What happened?
Look, clean
Not
brake
even
all the
on
way.
yet. Time to put the heads on.
Wipe all the way around.
Okay.
Chris?
Yeah.
Go grab those steel head gaskets.
So we got to clean the excess slag off of this from where it got repaired. And I didn't finish it up. Kind of bummed out about that. Yeah, this is making quick work of this. Trying to take place because it can't go backwards, you know. Getting fucking getting there. It's gonna get away from me what I'm trying to do, and look, you
Oh, that
can
looks
see.
beautiful. Boy, you're a hell of a lot more precise with that thing than I'd be. Cutting those heads
Came out pretty good.
for aluminum versus, or not aluminum, but
Talking about like porting and polishing and shit.
no, for surfacing them.
Oh.
All right, I'll spin her the other way.
That's it.
That's it. Beautiful. Hot damn.
How about that? All rivets must clear the deck and overhead surface.
Okay.
So those rivets are clearing, that rivet's clearing, all that shit's clearing. Okay.
I don't see any problems there.
Very nice. You want shorties or long ones first?
That don't matter.
Okay.
One long one would be great.
Right here, get a long and a short.
Shove it right there. You're running the fucking intelligent part of this gig. Yeah. Went up 20. Yeah. Six is right there. 7 below. Exactly.
My shoulder feels fucking. Oh, that's definitely not a movement that your shoulder likes to make. And put some rocker studs in. Bushrod guides.
No.
Lifter tab.
Do you,
Carrot.
Yeah. Like those Summit ones or the Scorpion brand or something like that.
Mm-hmm. Rocker arms on. Time to adjust some valves.
Aerospace vacuum pump. Good. Like it? All right.
Well, I guess you guys can see what was in that box now, huh? And it's not for the yellow car, so we're gonna keep you waiting. All right, well, we're all wrapped up for the day. Motor's about ready to go back in. You have fun helping out?
Uh-huh.
You learn anything?
A lot.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay. If you guys want to keep up with it and see that thing fire up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that like button, share it with your friends. Appreciate everybody that's been supporting us so far. We're trying to upload every Saturday and every Wednesday. So let us know how you like what's going on and what you guys want to see, and we'll keep doing it. See you next time.